Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Cognizant Aptitude exam mail not received. I receive lot of queries from all of you that still we not receive any kind of update from Cognizant for engineer trainee CIS hiring, 24 batch hiring. So is there any shortlisting process? Is exam in the form of phases? What about the Gen Z or engineer trainee? We will discuss each and every query in today's video. If you received the mail, so congratulations, you are moved forward to next round and we already uploaded videos that is related to aptitude. Okay, so you can check out the recent one day ago video in which you will find everything that is related to aptitude assessment. Let's discuss about the today's video. So we received two type of update. Okay, candidate mentioned communication completed, no further mail come, and receive the mail from aptitude, receive the mail for aptitude assessment. So what about the shortlisting elimination exam in the form of phases? Is it for Gen Z or engineer trainee role and limited number of open position? We will discuss each and everything. So first we will discuss about shortlisting and elimination. Clearly they mention if you cleared the screening you will move forward to communication. If you cleared the communication assessment you will move forward to aptitude. If you cleared the aptitude assessment you will move forward to technical interview. So there is a shortlisting process. Okay, if someone is saying that there is no shortlisting in the communication, so it is totally wrong, because there is a shortlisting process. In their official PDF they clearly mention that if you cleared that, so you will be moved forward to aptitude assessment. If you cleared, so you will be moved forward to technical interview. So the thing is, still many candidates not receive any kind of update. So I think they are shortlisting the candidates. Okay, there is some shortlisting parameters or factor we will discuss about. Okay, so this is a elimination, and aptitude is also elimination round. Okay, you have to perform very well in aptitude, so you will be moved forward to the technical round, that is a third online round. After that full-time offer are there. Is exam in the form of phases? Let's discuss about second important point. So the answer is it's totally depends on Cognizant team. Okay, tomorrow some candidates examination are there, like 14th October assessment time is 5 p.m. Okay, so if like the exam in the form of phases means different dates. Okay, tomorrow is 14th October, so after tomorrow 15th October, 16th October or 17th October. So if they conduct the examination in phases, it will totally depends on them, but we have to wait patiently. Okay, we have to keep patience, because if the examination in the form of phases, so we will definitely receive the update in the next 1 to 2 days. Okay, or 2 to 3 days. So we have to wait for that, and again I am saying it will totally depends on Cognizant team. Third is related to Gen Z or engineer trainee. Okay, we are confusing. I also like confusing in that part, that they mention that towards the Gen Z role you have applied for, but candidates applied for engineer trainee, that is CIS, or we can say that digital workplace. But I confirmed with many of the candidates, those candidates who completed the engineer trainee exam, okay, they received the update from Cognizant team, that is related to assessment test. Greeting from Cognizant, you are shortlisted for aptitude assessment. They mention Gen Z, but it is clearly for the engineer trainee role. Okay, so don't confuse with that. Okay, it is for engineer trainee. Let's discuss about one most important point. One candidate who shared me the timeline. Hello, good morning sir, yesterday I got Cognizant aptitude assessment mail. The assessment is on 14/10/2024, 14 October. For which role you got assessment? Engineer trainee? Yes sir. Okay, I shared the playlist. Tomorrow is the assessment at 5 p.m. So basically candidates are receiving the update. Okay, and I have request from all of you guys, if you applied for engineer trainee, you completed your communication assessment, you received the aptitude mail, please mention in the comment section. Okay, please mention in comment section, so it will very helpful for all candidates to know about the process that is related. Like some of the candidate received the aptitude assessment. Okay, let's discuss about our final important point. What are the limited number of position? I created poll on our group number 1, group number 2 and group number 3, but still many candidates mention that they not receive any kind of update from Cognizant. Okay, many candidates are waiting. Okay, so the thing is, okay, there are two conditions I am explaining here. There are two conditions. What are the two conditions? First is there is a elimination or shortlisting process. Okay, like there is a elimination in the first round, that is of communication or examination in the form of phases. Okay, or examination in the form of phases. So like we can expect the exam update in the next different dates. There are only two condition and this is just expected. Okay, it is not confirmed or like ये कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ऐसा हो ही सकता है, but this is just a expected condition by my experience. Okay, from my experience, that there is a elimination shortlisting in the communication round, either examination in the form of phases, different dates. Okay, so there is a limited number of position as well. Suppose company wants to hire like 10,000 candidates. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, like or company wants to hire 2,000 candidates, but for the role company got the 1 lakh application. Okay, 1 lakh application, so they will do the shortlisting. Okay, like they will check each and every parameter in your previous rounds. Okay, many candidates completed the communication round. Okay, so they are checking parameters. Okay, कि आपने किस किस बेसिस पे कितने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए. देन दे विल सेंडिंग द एप्टीट्यूड असेसमेंट मेल आफ्टर दैट टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू, because till the final offer letter they wants to hire the expected number of candidate that is set by their team. Okay, suppose Cognizant only want to hire 2,000 candidates, so they will set the limit how they want to shortlist the particular how they have to choose the particular 2,000 candidates on the factor of shortlisting. This is the limited number of open position, but this is just expected. Okay, according to my experience, but I am like on the behalf of candidates, I am requesting from Cognizant team that please share the mail in the form of phases. Okay, different dates, so every candidates get the opportunity, and like after completing communication round you will be able to attend the aptitude assessment. हम तो ये चाहते हैं कि elimination shortlisting कुछ ना हो, आपको मेल आए और आप टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू दें, देन आपको फाइनल ऑफर लेटर रिसीव हो, सो यू विल ग्रैब द अपॉर्चुनिटी. That's the thing. Okay, so because I receive lot of comments in the particular Telegram group, it is not a mass hiring. Okay, many of content creators are sharing the fake information, but if you see the previous videos, if you see the previous pattern, so this is one of the hiring that is every year Cognizant post, and they will hire they will hire more candidates. Okay, because it is a superset official hiring. So the thing is, we can wait for that, we have to keep patience. Okay, and the thing is, one last request from all of you guys: always apply for new opportunity. Don't wait for a single opportunity, because like number of positions are less and many candidates are applying, so you have to always apply for new opportunities. Okay, you have to always try to upgrade your skill sets on daily basis, so it will very helpful for everyone. Okay, so I hope you like the video, and thanks for watching the video. We will meet in the next video. Okay, I am outside of town, sorry for the inconvenience. I think there is a low voice okay, in the particular audio, so sorry for the inconvenience, and we will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.